I thank you for joining us today for the ribbon cutting and dedication ceremony for the new GCIT Robert M. Damminger Academy of Advanced Manufacturing and Applied Science building on the campus here at RCSJ. This is truly an exciting day for the Gloucester County community and the Gloucester County Vocational Technical School District.
All of our new buildings are special, but this one is extraordinarily special. To name this new building after a great leader and a great man, Robert M. Damminger.
I can't thank enough the commissioners, GCIT, for bestowing this honor on Robert, because this is absolutely the perfect honor to give Robert, because it's about working people.
I just think today about all the memories that I've shared with him, the legacy that he's had in this county, and how he came from Paulsboro, which is like a working class town.
This is a very, very special occasion, especially because Bob, as the leader, the director of the Board of Commissioners, made the decision and went back to the commissioners to say, we want to be able to make this building happen.
This amazing building can house 120 to 150 high school students, 9th through 12th grade. And that's during the day. And in the evening, it can change over to study at 2 college studies. And Stephen made sure that we were, if not the first, but one of the first to receive this money.
The students who are enrolled in this program will have the opportunity to earn college credits through our articulation agreements with RCSJ and can work toward the attainment of advanced degrees, apprenticeships, and internships.
Congratulations, Superintendent Mike Dickin, the GCIT board, the future students, and mostly Deb and Kim. What a husband, what a father Robert was, and what a leader for Gloucester County. We thank you for sharing him with us.
But Debbie, this county is so grateful for the commitment and the time that Robert put into it. He made it better. He was my partner, my brother, my friend, and I can't tell you how happy and honored I am to be here today speaking about this facility named after him, because I know how much he loved it.
I'm proud of him. I love him. I think of him every step of the day. I know that he's in attendance, but he has the best seat in the house. And I love you all for coming. Thank you so much, and let's open the building.